Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Life Lab. Today I'm showing you how my smart home in 2026 literally runs itself. No buttons, no switches, no stress, just pure AI. Let's start with the brain of it all. My AI home system, Nova. Nova controls everything: lights, security, temperature, cleaning, and even my morning routine. Watch this. Nova, start morning mode. Good morning, the weather's 18 degrees and sunny. Coffee will be ready in 2 minutes. And just like that, curtains open, music fades in, and my espresso machine starts brewing. Now let's head to the kitchen. Here, my AI meal planner decides what I eat based on my health data and fridge inventory. If I'm low on something, it automatically orders it for delivery. No lists, no forgetting, no wasted food. Oh, and if I reach for late night snacks, my fridge actually reminds me to stay on track. Yeah, but even my fridge is judging me now. Next up, ambience control. Every light, scent, and sound changes depending on my mood. Nova tracks my tone, movements, and heart rate, then adjusts everything automatically. Nova, chill mode. Lights dim, lavender scent fills the air, and soft jazz starts playing. It's like living inside your own mood ring. Cleaning? Fully automated Meet Robo Clean 3X. My AI vacuum, mop, and trash sorter. It scans every corner with sensors and updates its map daily. I haven't cleaned anything by hand in 2 years. And yes, it even empties itself. Now about security. My home runs on local AI, no cloud, no spying. Cameras, facial recognition, and voice commands are all encrypted inside the network. When I walk up to the door, Nova recognizes me instantly and unlocks. Only me, no one else. Here's what an average day looks like. I wake up. The lights simulate sunrise, coffee's ready, news plays softly. By the time I leave, my car's preheated and the route is optimized for traffic. When I come home, the lights adjust, the temperature's perfect, and dinner's already cooking. That's not the future. That's Tuesday. Living in an AI-powered home isn't about being lazy. It's about saving time, energy, and focus for what really matters: less chaos, more calm. The future is already here, and it's learning how to take care of you. If you enjoyed this tour, hit like, subscribe, and tell me, would you trust AI to run your home?